Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Gmail on a Mac computer, the basics, 2025. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Google, Gmail. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the alternative web browser, Google Chrome. Click on this. Wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, make sure that you are signed into your Google account. Let's go to the top right corner. Click on the Gmail shortcut. And now what we will do is go to the left-hand side navigation menu. Click on Compose to create an email and send that email to ourselves. For the purpose of this tutorial, let's now click on to select a recipient, which will be ourselves. Computer Science Videos Business. Choose a subject. Let's just say email to myself. Go within the email, dear CSV. I hope that this email finds you well. Right arrow, autofill, go to a new line. This is an email to myself. Kind regards. Right arrow, comma, space, new line, CSV. Go to the bottom left corner where it says send. Click on this to send that email to myself, and there we have it. This email has been sent to myself. Let's now copy the contents of that email. Right click, copy. I want to now delete an email. Click on delete, go to more, go to trash where the email is currently sitting in. Let's go back to that email. If I want to, let's just say, recover that email, how do I do that? You would have to click on this email, put it back into the inbox, move one conversation back to where it was, and there we have it. If I want to, let's just say forward an email, click on forward. Let's now send that email to admin@computersciencevideos.com. Click on send, and so that email itself has been forwarded to that email address without anything from myself, just a forwarded email, which is something I would not recommend you to do, as you must write the email, kind regards from the person sending the email, so they then know that this is what is in the email. Let's go back one. Let's compose a brand new email. Send it to myself. Let's just say image and video. Go within the email. Command V to paste. I want to now attach files. Go to documents, my YouTube channel, change to icons. Let's locate an image. YouTube icon, click on this. That has now been uploaded. Let's now attach another file. I want to attach a video. Go to movies, go to videos, and then we have a video.mp4. Click on this. So we have the image and video attached to this email. Let's now go within that email again. Please see the attached video and image. Kind regards, CSV. We can now schedule send if we wish to for another date and time. Let's pick a date and time. So we want to send this today. 8:27 p.m. Click on schedule send. We now have an email in the scheduled inbox. Messages in scheduled will be sent in their scheduled time. So what we will do is go to labels, create a brand new label, call this label videos, have that label nest under archive 1, create this. Let's now move an email within the inbox to videos under archive 1, go to videos, and then we have that email itself that was sent to myself and forwarded to the admin inbox. We are now waiting for that scheduled email to show up in the inbox. Let's now click on an email, 3 dots, delete this message, go to trash, click on that email, select and delete forever. Messages that have been in trash more than 30 days will be automatically deleted. We can also empty the trash now if we have more emails that have been bulk deleted or sit in the deleted trash inbox. Go to inbox. Let's compose another brand new email. Command and V, the main email, send that to myself. Trial, click on send. That has been sent to myself. Click on this email. Let's click on store. So that means if I now wish to access all the stored emails, there's a shortcut on the left hand side navigation menu to do that, and that is in the stored section. Let's now right click, reload the page, and there we have that email that was scheduled to be sent to myself on screen, the image and the video that was attached to this email. So we can now go back to the inbox. Let's now quit Google Chrome. And so that's all for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.